everyone, welcome back to my tiny kitchen, and I am here to cook again today. Today we are going to make, hi Lumi, today we're going to make apple crumble in a mug. I found the recipe on TikTok and I will link it down below and you can find it. It seemed relatively easy and I have 2 apples that are very bruised, so I thought it'd be a good opportunity to use them. So that's what we're gonna do. And so first things first, gonna peel them and chop them. I'm gonna cut off the bruise. Oh, that bruise goes mighty deep. Okay, I'm gonna, okay. I guess we can peel and then we'll decide. Let's peel this apple. Let's see how long this will take me comically. Hi, Lumi. Whatever I don't use, I will give to you because you like the apple, I know. I remember there used to be a saying where if you can peel a whole, I can't do this now because I chopped off a part, so I can't do it nonstop. But we have a saying that if you can peel a whole apple in like one peel, you can make a wish and it'll come true. And apparently it's very hard to do where you just go down in the spiral and stuff, so I can't do that because I can't go around anymore because I cut off the, oh wow, the part that's bruised is like a, it's like a jelly. Yeah, I've been buying apples from Costco and then it's like a pack of like 10, so it takes me a while to eat them, but it's okay. Lumi likes apples, so we share apples. Okay, 1 apple down, another apple to go. Apologies, I probably should have peeled beforehand, but that's okay. You get to hear a story about how you can now challenge yourself to peel an apple in one go and see if it works. And make a wish and tell me if it comes true. And then we can start a world revolution where everyone's just peeling apples. And then we'll all become professional apple peelers and just make good wishes about the world, and the world will become a perfect place. Wow, other than the bruise part, this apple looks great. Okay, I think that's good. this apple part, this bruise part is not very yummy looking. So what it seemed like they did, they just chopped it into chunks. Let's get a little bit extra off that I will save to give to Lumi. Yeah, they only used 1 apple. But I had 2 bruised ones, so yeah. It's okay. Whatever doesn't fit in the mug, I'll just give to Lumi. She's so excited. Okay, let's cut off the extra parts for the Lumi Manchi. Ooh, if I put the mic really close, maybe you can hear her munch. I don't know if I can hear that, but we'll figure that out later. Okay. Gotta take out the core. I mean, I already took out the core, but there's some parts that have seeds in it, so I have to cut that out. Okie dokie. I don't know how important it is to get off all the peel. There you go, madam. Yes, I have a sous chef by the side that likes apples. Will eat your scraps. There you go. There you go. Lumi loves apples. She's kind of picky with some of her fruits and stuff, but she likes apples. I think she just generally likes things that are sweet. I guess the palate of child, young child. Okay, now we're in business. Now we do the choppy chop. Chop. So I think you just do the, piece. And here I have my Eeyore mug because I love Eeyore. It's one of the bigger ones I have, so I thought that would be the best option. Okay, chop, chop. Yes, this is how I cook. I literally just, I always narrate what I do. Just kidding. No, I don't. That's weird. Okay. That's maybe, I can't tell if that's too full or not. So Eeyore's my favorite Western cartoon character. I say Western because I also really like Pikachu. So I guess yeah. Yeah, he's great. He's my favorite. I don't know why, but since I was very young, he's always been my favorite. And so I'm also one of those people who I guess it's very easy to buy me a present because once they know that I like something, that's all they get me. So I have a ton of Eeyore stuff. Most of it is with my parents in Taiwan. I have like a shrine like of Eeyore stuffed animals, and my mom doesn't give them away. I'm not really sure why. Okay, so here I have brown sugar that I'm struggling to. There we go. Open the container. That has a spoon in there for some reason, but okay. So they took the chopped apples, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. My brown sugar is kind of clumped up because I haven't used it in a while. So 1 tablespoon, and then she did a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, but I don't really want to measure it. I'm lazy. I'm just gonna. That's probably good, right? And then she mixed that around. So the apples are covered in. Maybe I have too many apples. Is that a thing? So you just mix it until the apples are covered. Okay, maybe my mug isn't that big. Either my mug's not that big or I have too many apples. But one can never have too many apples, right? It keeps the doctors away. For every apple I eat a day, 1 doctor away. The dentist, the optometrist, pediatrician, gynecologist. Okay, that seems pretty evenly coated. And then I have melted butter, which was a tablespoon, which I also did not measure. Yeah. And then it was melted butter, and then a tablespoon of brown sugar in here too. That seems like it's going to be mighty sweet. And then 1 tablespoon of flour, all-purpose flour. Let's see if I struggle. Oh, did not struggle as much opening this one. This seems clean enough. 1 tablespoon of that, and then 2 tablespoons of oats. And this is for the crumble on top. Okay. And then you mix that all around with the butter. And it makes this like slimy looking with the butter and the flour gets incorporated. And the sugar. Oh yeah, this looks like the video. I think I'm doing this right, y'all. Yeah, so you get this thing, this consistency of the oat. Kind of slimy-ish, but yes. And then she put that on top. Probably much less sloppy than me. Man, sometimes I'm surprised I could teach English. Okay. I'm sure that's going on in all of your heads right now as well. And then, oh, that looks pretty. Here we go. So you can see the apples are underneath and then the oats are on top. And then this goes into the microwave. Oh my God. Or I could also break my mug. For 2 minutes. So I'll see y'all in 2 minutes. We're back and I have my spoon. I actually put it in for 2 minutes and then I took it back out and I looked at it and I was like, yeah, let's put it in for 1 more minute. And that's what I did. So I put it in for another minute. And it looks good. I mean, it looks the same as it did before I microwaved it. It smells good. I think that's what's important. I'm not sure if the crumble on top was supposed to get more crispy or what, but I don't mind. The lady, or I don't know who, the TikTok person put a scoop of ice cream on there, but I don't like ice cream. This is hot. And we're gonna. That's good. Oh yeah. I should wait. This is really good, actually. You guys should try this. I mean, like, if you don't have the, you know, the bandwidth to like cook a whole pie or something, but you still want dessert, that's relatively, I'm pretty sure, I mean, it's not like those mug cakes where there's lots of flour and, you know, there's just a little bit of butter, mostly just apple and some sugar. And yeah, look at that. The apples are super soft. The sugar definitely helps with the like sweetness, and then the oats aren't super crispy. Maybe like a crumble might be. But they provide nice texture. I wonder if you like did this for 2 minutes and then maybe put it in like a toaster oven for a minute. Maybe that might be nice. But yeah, hot. But I'm not stopping. Who knows? They're so good. Okay, yeah. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed. As I don't know. I hope you can enjoy in the future when you make this on your own, because you definitely should. This is a recommended trend. Okay, and I'll see you next time in the tiny kitchen. Thank you. Bye.